Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm going to be showing you how I make my lace closure. So this is how the wig is going to look like at the end of it. It's very easy. It's beginner friendly. This part of the video I was actually using my iPhone to film it. That's why it looks very small in the middle, but as you go along I'm going to switch it to my Canon's camera, so it's going to fill up the page and you'll be able to see it clearly. Before we get into this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share with your uncles, aunties, sisters, brothers, every single person. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. God bless. Bye. To make my lace closure wig, I will be using a 22-inch circumference dummy head. For this wig, we are going to use a 5x5 lace closure, 12-inch, and 2 bundles of straight virgin hair in 12-inch and 10-inch. A silk thread, pins to secure the hair onto the dummy head, a medium-sized dome cap, and oh, I forgot to show you, we will also need scissors and needle to sew the wig. Place the dome cap on the dummy head, ensuring the lace closure is in the center of the dome cap and is about ½ an inch past the dome cap. Now I'm placing the pins on all 4 corners of my closure to secure it onto the dummy head. Tie the hair up to keep it out of the way. I'm going to start sewing the closure by going through the lace closure strap with my needle. Make sure you only take the first layer of the dome cap because you want the unit to stretch when you wear it. I create my knot by wrapping the thread around the needle several times before I pull the needle out fully. Now I'm going to go ahead to finish sewing the closure. What I normally do is to sew the sides first before I sew the back of the closure because it helps it stay in place while sewing. Okay, my lovely friends, I'm going to leave you to watch this video with this lovely music in the background. So get your cup of tea, beverages, whatever, and enjoy. Now I'm going to sew the bundles. For this wig, I'm going to start off with the 10-inch bundles for the back. I'm sewing the hair by pinning it down from one end to the other to secure it. To create the knot at the start, all I'm doing is going through the first layer of the dome cap, then go through the weft to secure it in place. I then wrap around the needle with a thread several times and pull it out. To sew the rest of the hair, I'll be placing the needle under the weft through the dome cap. This time round, I'll be creating just one knot by wrapping the thread around the needle once. You don't want to go through the weft, you want to go under the weft. I folded the hair over the top, leaving about 1.5 inch gap. Now I'm following the same process throughout the whole hair. I've now filled in all the space, leaving just enough space to fit in one more hair to attach the sewn bundles and the closure together. I'm now sewing through the strap of the lace closure and under the weft to lock it in place. Now sew the hair all the way till the end, but please don't forget to create a knot at the end to secure the hair. Now guys, this is it, we are done. This is how the hair is looking like. The inside of the hair is looking pretty neat, but please don't forget to cut off the dome cap where the lace is on the closure. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm cutting it off. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much guys for watching. Like I said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment.